Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're going to start up our 80 C10 with a 5.7 diesel. I just drove it, but it started its summer here. Actually, it's 80 degrees, but it did start up good when I first started it. The blinkers work. Fan works. Air is not kicking in currently. And the radio, just an AM radio, does not work. Sometimes the gauge reads half tank, sometimes it doesn't. That's usually a ground issue. Running about just at a quarter, so runs right at, we're nice and cool. These two gauges up here are not working. So, horn does not work. Wipers work. Check the lights. We just got it in, so it hasn't been through our inspection or anything. Sounds pretty good. Oh, the air's not going to work because ain't hooked up. This is the lines. The pressure's there, but the lines are gone. So we'll need some air work. But your lights all work. So this truck come out of Idaho. It's a nice thing. You can see how nice and clean that box is with no rust there. So, pretty rare pickup with the 5.7 diesel in it, and just needs some air work. Let's see if the dome light doesn't work either. So, 605-695-7391.